Stuff en Stoffel.
Buffelbees soldaat, vreeslokke rasta. Dit was 'n buffelbees soldaat in die hart van Amerika, gesteel uit Afrika, gevat na Amerika. Hy bekleed toe hy daaraan kom.
Hier is my eier. Hy is nog koud.
Sy oorlewing, ek bedoel dit.
Hier is my suiker
As jy jou geskiedenis ken,
en my dop.
dan sal jy weet waar jy vandaan kom.
Ek gaan julle terugkry.
Dan sou jy my nie vra nie. En wie de hek dink jy is ek dan? Dit 'n buffelbees soldaat in die hart van Amerika, gesteel uit Afrika.
Ek nominate vir Stoof.
Gesê hy het bekleid toe hy daaraan kom, bekleid vir sy oorlewing. Hy was 'n buffelbees.
Stoffel, nee bro. Eat this egg, crack it and eat it. And then eat some sugar and stuck a dop. So, we'll start with the egg.
Gesteel uit
It's too much.
dan sal jy weet waar jy vandaan kom. Dan sal
Yes, ek wil nou ook so kort.
ek dan. Ek's net 'n buffelbees soldaat.
You should have drunk it. Instead of eating a hard-boiled egg.
I'll come and stop. Does it help that I cooked it on Sunday? It was fine. Okay.
Vreeslokke rasta.
I haven't had one spot. Okay.
Die hart van Amerika.
I'm gonna puke too, please.
Oh, come on, Paolo. What?
Hy bekleid toe hy daaraan kom, bekleid vir sy oorlewing.
Give up on that. I don't really have sugar. We don't eat sugar, but it looks like a little bit. It's just Canada. So it's super sweet, even though it's two. Okay, then a dope. Can't get dope. People are buying dope. So but hey, alcohol. Okay. Cheers, Stoffel. Okay, ek nomineer.
Say that yo 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 yo